Another hot day, right? I feel like I'm on repeat every day saying that. But yeah, we actually got to day 6 of our heat wave yesterday, and then today we're going to be in the 80s, but that humidity is going to make it feel that much warmer. But we're in alert mode because of some strong to severe storms that we're expecting for this afternoon. So a cold front, we're expecting it to bring storms, but our main concerns, our main threats, damaging wind gusts, flash flooding, and the potential for some isolated hail. We also can't rule out the possibility of a tornado. So this is from noon to 10 p.m. today. The latest guidance shows some of these storms happening a little bit earlier towards noon and 1 o'clock. So I'm going to show you that breakdown in just a second. The Storm Prediction Center has put the entire state in that slight risk, that level 2 category. And yeah, it's going to be humid out there all day today until that front passes through later tonight. After it passes through, the good news is we've got some more refreshing weather on the way. I mean, temperatures will still be in the 80s, but the air is going to feel a lot more comfortable. The dew points are going to be back in the 50s. All right, heat wave. We hit 6 days of 90-degree temperatures inland since Tuesday. So yes, yesterday we got to 96 degrees at Bradley International Airport. Once again, today we're expecting to be in the upper 80s, but there is a possibility we could get to 90 degrees and extend that to day number 7. Our early warning weather futurecast shows through this morning a mix of sun and clouds. Now, this is the latest guidance, so you could see maybe around noon, 11 a.m. we might start to see some of these storms roll through. So we're going to be keeping a close eye on our early warning pinpoint Doppler. But 1 o'clock, you could see that 3 o'clock. Look at these storms passing through. Just very heavy rainfall at that time, where you see those oranges, those yellows, and those reds. So as that passes through, even 6 o'clock p.m., we could continue to see some of these isolated storms all the way until about 10 or 11 o'clock tonight. Now, this front is going to pass through. As it does, tomorrow's going to be a lot more comfortable. We'll see sunshine. Temperatures will be in the 80s, so it is going to be a really good summer day to be outside. But today, not so much, especially this afternoon. All right, abnormally dry conditions still for a lot of our state. We're in that moderate drought for most areas of Hartford County too. So this could bring some much needed rain to our state. And yes, you can see actually right now we do have some of those storms passing through some areas of New York and Vermont and New Hampshire. Now this looks like for the most part it's going to miss us, but then we're going to start to see some of those storms fire up later into this afternoon. This is the latest guidance. You can actually see in eastern Connecticut, we've got the chance to see some of that pretty moderate rainfall. We could pick up an inch of rain or more. Yeah, so you can actually see, look at New Haven now too. This is the latest guidance, but we could be seeing a good amount of rainfall. I know, once again, our state really needs this.
It does, with that heavy rain dropping in such a short amount of time, does that would that lead to like localized flooding?
Flash flooding. Yeah. Flash flooding. That's another concern of ours too. With this rain coming down really quickly, we could be seeing that flash flooding. The ground also still dry too, abnormally dry and in a moderate drought. So once again, that could happen. So we'll be keeping you posted. We've got a lot of concerns with this system. New London right now, a pretty colored sky out there, and you could see some cloud cover as we head towards this afternoon, and then we're expecting some of that rain. Temperatures out there are mild. 80 degrees already in Hartford. Ooh, it is only 5:48 this morning. Dew points feeling tropical out there, and those wind speeds are filtering in some milder air from the south. So tomorrow we're still going to be in the 80s. It'll feel a whole lot different though. Then I'm also tracking the potential for some storms and some showers heading Thursday into Friday. That humidity is going to go back up, and then it's going to go right back down for the weekend, Saturday, Sunday. Luckily enough, they're looking really good right now. So if you've got plans for the upcoming weekend, we'll be keeping you posted on that. I do